Whatever's happening involves a fox. There was a fox that came out of the woods after a lot of screaming and then went back into the woods, followed by a lot of screaming. And this is a second fox that is coming to investigate. Whatever the sound is, it involves a fox. It might also involve a woodchuck. I'm not really sure. There are baby deer in those woods, but I don't know what that noise is. A fox could be like, but they're big. They're way bigger than the fox. There's some wild things going on over there. I saw a fox come out. I saw a fox go back in. I saw a second fox also go in. The crows were upset about something. But what that was, I don't know. Inquiring minds.